got the wrong fizzy in.
Okay.
You're not watching.
I am watching.
I'll ban you from the next shack trip if you do that.
No, you won't do that.
You gotta watch.
Now I want to see what you're doing now.
Now, you take from there. You don't go there, you go from there to there. You see, like that.
Okay.
Fold it over.
Yeah.
Say abracadabra.
Abracadabra. Oh, look at you.
You see that?
Wow.
Look at that fizzy there.
It's amazing.
Now,
What's coming
you take
in?
that like that. You just scoop it in
Well,
there. You see, there's the line. It's got a line there. A natural line.
Okay.
You have to have a pretty sharp knife.
See what I mean? He knows what he's doing.
You got to have a nice little scarp messy. This is not the sharpest knife, but it'll do the trick. Now you see this, you cut off the bone there, it's got ribs going that way.
Amazing.
So you push it on the ribs guide you down,
Yeah.
and then off. So that's why you don't have any bones in gemors.
Sure.
You see? There.
That's why.
Wow.
Wow.
That goes for the missile yard cut.
Yeah.
That's right. Oh, you'll have fun. And you place it
Show us again.
so that you can say, no, come on.
Look at that.
Did you see that?
I think I missed it. Hang on.
No, you must leave the photograph for that one. And then look, watch.
Okay, I'm watching.
You see I've got the point in?
Yes.
Just underneath the skin. You just take the skin off.
But
You see,
that's a
push it
sharp
through.
knife, eh?
You see this side?
Yes.
You do the same there on that side. You see on both sides.
I got you.
Now, what do you do with the side?
You roll it.
Now you've got to catch it first, Irene. There. Lift up and a little gentle cut. You see like that?
Yes.
Then you put that. You mustn't roll it from there to the tail. You roll it from there to there.
Okay.
There. Fold it over.
Diagonal.
Right, so abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
No, you must say it properly.
Abracadabra.
There you go. Look, there. How's that?
Amazing.
There's no scales flying around here?
When that thing releases and it uncoils itself, it's skits.
No,
You're spitting
nonsense.
scales out of
Show
that
me.
door.
Show me one scale here. No.
Scale it.
The missile yard cut's got
Huh?
scales
No.
on it already.
You never scale a fish. If you scale a fish, you take the natural protection of a fish off to keep it fresh. So you don't touch.
Never scale a cob.
You never scale a fish. No, down onto the ribs and off. You see that? Sometimes you get that thing, and then I like to just sort of like slither it off now. And there's nothing wrong with little blacktail fillets like that. I'll tell you what.
They're the best. That and French Madame.
That cooks like a lekker thing.
Are you videoing this?
Yes.
Yeah. Better shut up then.
Did you see that now, Irene?
I saw it, and it's going on YouTube, Andre,
Oh, really?
because I'm videoing you.
Oh,
And
yes.
now you're going to be all over the interwebs.
Oh, my word. That is... That's dangerous.
This librarian's off the hook,
Your
yeah.
tardiness and everything is all forgiven.
You see, look at that. I see that.
Now
I see from there.
now we're going to
But you
stop.
don't warn me.
We're going to stop this
You
now
sort of
because
like say,
you're
"Chaps,
playing to
let's
the
go."
camera. You're playing to the camera like